In tonight's coronavirus coverage, another person has tested positive for the virus in Northern California. It's the 15th case in the U.S. Health officials say the patient is a resident of Solano County and receiving care in Sacramento County. This would be the first known instance of person-to-person transmission in the general public in the U.S. The Centers for Disease Control says this person had no exposure to the virus through travel or close contact with someone who was known to be infected. Here in the Valley, Tulare County health officials have just announced they are monitoring 9 people who recently traveled to China or have come into contact with people who did.
And in Fresno County, the health department there is monitoring people who have also met a certain criteria for recent travel. They say these people are self-isolating for 14 days. Meanwhile, the CDC is warning public schools to take precautions. CBS 47's Angelica Lalani joins us live in the studio. Angelica, you spoke with 2 local school districts today.
Yes, we spoke with Fresno and Clovis Unified. Both say that they sent out letters to parents back in January and then again this morning educating parents and staff on what to look out for regarding the coronavirus. Now, both districts say that they are following the Fresno County Public Health Department's recommended guidelines from the CDC. Coronavirus has been a concern for many around the world since December, the virus coming out of Wuhan, China, with symptoms similar to the flu. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issuing a statement Tuesday about the virus spreading, urging schools and businesses to take caution.
For schools, options include dividing students into smaller groups, or in a severe pandemic, closing schools and using internet-based teleschooling to continue education. For adults, businesses can replace in-person meetings with video or telephone conferences and increase teleworking options.
While there are no confirmed cases in the Valley, school districts say they have plans in place and have been in communication with parents, students, and staff.
Basically, if there were any concerns with, coronavirus coming into the school sites, I work closely with Fresno County, and then I also work closely with our communications department, and the school does have a safety plan as to what steps we would follow if it went into that direction.
Both districts say right now there are no plans for canceling any school activities and say they educate students year-round on healthy living practices.
In Fresno County, there's really not an immediate need to react to any identified cases, but even so, we're continuing with our safe school practices for regular sanitation and disinfection of heavily used surfaces, making sure that just those healthy living practices that we talk to kids about all the time, covering coughs, not coming to school when you're sick, things like that are being followed.
And Fresno State also sent out a letter this morning to students and staff regarding safety measures to take. Again, there are no confirmed cases in Fresno or Tulare County. Health experts want to be clear that the flu is still more dangerous than the coronavirus. Live in the studio tonight, I'm Angelica Lalani, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.